Passage A. In a small business concern, goods received may well be unpacked by the owner and invoice or packing note checked at the same time. He may also check the goods against the order to ensure that they are as ordered both as to type and quantity. If the business is large enough for this work to be entrusted to others, it is the responsibility of the owner to control it by making checks from time to time. No question of fraud is being considered here. Control in this case being to ensure that goods received are those required. Para. The system of checking will change with the number of staff available. The work to be done is to check goods against the order, goods against invoice, pricing of invoice, and then checking them into store. Some method will have to be followed to ensure that these checks are carried out with all goods arriving. If it is possible to entrust the work so that a different person is in charge of each section, that will help the owner of the business, but this is not always possible. In a small business, it may be the same person carrying out all those tasks controlled by the owner. In such a case is more necessary than when the work is split up. Four people each doing a separate job are less likely to make a mistake than one person doing them all. Passage B. Dear Sirs, Para, we have given careful consideration to the request contained in your letter of 2nd April for the sole agency in your district of our new machine. We have no agency at present in the north of Bombay, and as we understand that you are an old established concern with first class connection in this type of machinery. We should be happy to fully discuss the matter with you. Para. Unfortunately, our sales manager is at present on a business tour of Pune district and is not expected to return until this month end. Mr. Merchant, one of our directors, would, however, be pleased to visit you and suggest Monday, 12th April. If this arrangement is convenient to you, kindly confirm. Para. We have passed on your various inquiries and suggestions to Mr. Merchant, who will deal fully with them when he will meet you personally. The conditions we impose upon our agents must necessarily be strict ones, but we see no reason why they should not be acceptable to you. If you agree and satisfactory business is produced during the first year of the agency, we should be prepared to consider offering you the opportunity of dealing in one or two other lines which we manufacture. Para. Mr. Merchant has an expert knowledge of this particular machine and can answer any questions you ask regarding the machine or concerning our agents and their manner of work. Yours faithfully.